always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again. Fox has the number wheel set up. Let's see what today's number will be.
Ooh, can I spin the wheel? Go for it, Hedgehog. Today's special number is 6. Yay! Okay, Hedgehog. Show me the card with the number 6 on it. Oh, there it is! Now let's flip the card over and count how many ants there are. Mr. Goose, can you help me?
Of course. Let's count out loud together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many in all?
6. Hedgehog, you win! Yay, what do I win? 6 hugs! Here I come!
Today's number is 6. Let's explore the island and count together.
Let's do the monkey dance! Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count to do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 6. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 6 times. Clap 6 times. Nod 6 times. Point 6 times. March 6 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me.
We're about to practice our counting together. Come on! Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't stop now, let's count some more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing great. When we see some flowers or butterflies or stars, we count so we can find out how many things there are. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Let's look for things to count.
Oh, I'm not very good at counting by myself. You're not very good yet. I'll help you. Let's count sea stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sea stars. Now let's count shells together. 1, 2, 3. How many in all? 3. Yeah, you got it. Now you try, Hedgehog. Count the rocks. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many rocks are there in all? 6. You did it! Thanks, Monkey. Hey, I have an idea. Let's count all the grains of sand on the beach. Yeah!
That may take a while. See you soon.
Let's count wiggle bugs together. 6. There are 6 wiggle bugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many wiggle bugs in all? 6. That's right. Let's take their pictures. Say cheese! Thank you for helping me take that picture.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called When I Grow Up. There are so many things you can be when you grow up. Let's read about some of them. Let's begin. When I Grow Up, written by Michelle Fry, illustrated by Simone van der Spee, designed by Jennifer Jacobs. What do I want to be when I grow up? When I grow up, I want to be a dancer and dance on a stage. When I grow up, I want to be a firefighter and put out big fires. When I grow up, I want to be a nurse and make sick people better. When I grow up, I want to be a musician and play in a band. When I grow up, I want to be a mechanic and fix cars and tractors. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher and teach children to read and write. When I grow up, I want to be a soccer player and score the winning goal. When I grow up, I want to be an astronaut and fly to the moon. When I grow up, I want to be a chef and make food for my family and friends. When I grow up, I can choose whatever I want to be. What do you want to be when you grow up? The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you something called patter cake. It's not a song, it's a chant. Listen. Patter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and roll it and mark it with a B. And put it in the oven for baby and me. Now let's all try it together. Patter cake, baker's man.
Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and roll it and mark it with a B. And put it in the oven for baby and me.
Splendid! Let's do it one more time. I want to hear you too. Here we go. Patter cake, baker's man.
Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and roll it and mark it with a B.
And put it in the oven for baby and me. Well done.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Pig, Fox, I'm going to show you a new way of painting.
Ooh.
I don't see any paintbrushes.
That's right, Fox. We're not going to paint with paintbrushes.
Huh?
We're going to paint with sponges. Ready to see what happens?
Okay.
Do you want to start with blue paper or red paper?
Blue, please.
And I'll take red, please.
Great! Now, pick up a sponge. Dip it in the yellow paint. And start painting.
Oh, look! My paper is turning orange. Because red and yellow make orange.
My paper's turning green.
That's right.
Look how smooth it looks.
I'm tapping my sponge. It looks rough, like rocks.
Smooth and rough are textures. Say it after me. Textures.
Textures. I'm done.
Me too.
Let's hang up your paintings and look at them. What's something that's the same about your paintings?
We both painted with sponges.
That's right. What else?
We both painted with yellow.
Yes. And what's something different about your paintings?
Mine came out green, and Pig's is orange.
And my painting is rough, but Fox's is smooth.
That's right. Now, what do we do when we're done painting?
We go play.
Uh-huh.
But first,
We clean up.
Oh, right.
that's right. Let's clean up together.
Okay.
I'm crunching leaves, but only orange leaves. I see one. Let's look for more. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you! Monkey! Monkey! Where is he? Oh, what was that? Did you hear that? Look! Where do you think Monkey is?
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen. La la lullaby. Hush, my babe, and do not cry. In your cradle now you swing. Until you sleep I'll softly sing. La la lullaby. La la lullaby. Hush, my babe, and do not cry. In your cradle now you swing. Until you sleep I'll softly